Hello.
Hello.
Hey, I have an appointment in 9 minutes.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay. My name is Kate. What's your name?
My name is Nitish Kumar Mridha.
Okay, nice to meet you, Nitish.
Nice
Um,
to meet you too. You
thank
can call
you.
me Nitish only.
Or what?
You can call me Nitish because the surname is quite difficult for few people to
Yeah, it
pronounce.
is. It's
It is.
it's it's unusual. Tell me, where are you from?
I'm from India,
Okay, what part?
uh, West Bengal. West Bengal.
Where
Do
is
you
that
know
in
about
India?
it? Is do you know about Kolkata?
I've
Kolkata,
heard of
Ca-
it before.
Calcutta.
Yes, Calcutta. Yes, I've heard of Calcutta. Yes. How do you properly pronounce it? Calcutta?
Kolkata. Actually, now it actually
Kolkata.
British. We are under colonial rule of British
Yes,
East
for a
India
long
Company.
time. Yes.
They used to call Calcutta.
Yes, we do. And Americans, we call it Calcutta too.
Yeah,
Um,
Calcutta. We
Tell
we
me.
actually our native language is Bengali. I
Okay,
speak
okay,
Bengali.
okay. Usually people who have the native language of Bengali speak English better than people who have the native language of Punjabi.
Not really, but yeah, some
With
people
the
actually.
accent. Yeah.
Yeah, people. Yeah, I am very beginner level, and I realize that yeah, some people very speak very fluent, and so I need to improve my English.
Yes. Always. You can always get better. That's the thing. Tell me,
Yeah,
what do you do? Are you a student or are you working?
no, I'm not a student, but yeah, I do work in my land as a farmer. I do farming.
Hmm. Tell
Apart
me,
of this, I
mhm.
teach small kids actually.
You think it's a what?
Yeah,
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry. You think it's a what?
actually, I do work in my land as a farmer. As a farmer, I
Yes.
grow crops, mostly vegetables.
What kind of vegetables? Tell me.
It vary upon the weather and
Oh,
season.
that
Right
makes
now,
sense.
I have chilies, brinjal. Recently, I sown cucumber.
Awesome. I love cucumbers and I love chilies. Do you guys like
Yeah,
spicy food in your region?
yeah, we like most spicy food.
Yes, me too. That actually sounds really cool. I don't know the first thing about how to be a farmer because, I mean, I like to grow vegetables at home and stuff like this, but it's always
No,
mysterious to me. Like, I feel like I would grow everything, and then how do you sell it?
yeah, I sell it in my local market. Actually, it is almost 2.5 kilometer far away from my village. I
That's
sell it my own. I go there by cycle and then sell to the local vendors, and
nice.
I easily get money.
That's
Yeah,
awesome. That's awesome. In the US, everything is so complicated. And yeah, it is. It's hard to sell anything because there's so many government regulations.
yeah. We have also some regulation, but the local vendor, what they do actually, they bought products from us. They buy
Yeah,
product from us, and then they go to the place where the government regulation is going on, and they
yeah,
sell them there with profit up to some profit, they 2% and one and a
that
half
makes sense.
percent, they
Yeah.
get profit. But what we there is a facility for us that we don't need to go there directly, so carrying charge and time saving it is.
Wow, that's fascinating. I'm sorry. I know that this is your job, and maybe you don't want to talk about your job, but it's really interesting. Yeah, it is.
No problem, madam.
Tell
No
me,
problem.
how did you learn to be a farmer?
It's very easy, but it's hard work. Like we have to toil from morning till evening,
Yes.
so it is quite hard working, but it is healthy. You
Yes,
can say it
it
is healthy.
is. It is healthy.
Because you are getting chance to make your body fit. And yeah, it's very interesting also. Yeah, a part of this, I teach some students like up to 5 plus 5 8
Yeah.
small kids, and that is why I'm learning English very, I'm very curious to learn English, because these days English is very important.
Yes.
These days we
Yes.
are shifting toward the English language because it is the linking language
It is.
in India.
It is. It's honestly, it's the linking language everywhere. So I've been traveling full time since the middle of 2019, and I'm so surprised. Everywhere I go, there are people who speak English.
Yeah. And
yeah.
in India, madam, in India we have variety of languages. Multi-language, multi-languages we speak, multi-language.
Yep.
Like I can speak 3 and 4 languages in that is also used in India.
Wow.
But yeah, we have lots of languages. 22 languages are written in our
Wow. That's a lot of languages.
So
yeah.
some people, they can't speak Bengali because they don't know Bengali in India.
Wow. 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 Wow.